In today's video, I am going to share with you an exciting topic of making money online using AI. AI is revolutionizing the world and has opened up a number of new opportunities for those who want to make money online with their skills. Part 1. What is AI? First, let's understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Section 2. How AI can help you make money online. Nowadays, many companies are using artificial intelligence solutions in various business models like marketing research, sales predictive analytics, risk management, fraud detection, advertisement, etc. In simpler words, it helps businesses make informed decisions regarding product pricing, efficiency, customer satisfaction, and more. Section 3. Ways to make money with AI. One way for individuals to make money through AI is offering consulting services. AI consulting, for instance, developing customized solutions for weddings or holiday photo shoots, will impress your clients by taking them off guard, providing additional value, making you the market leader. Another great example could be developing unique automated bots, tools which help solve complex problems while reducing time and effort. A well-executed idea like this can bring passive income opportunities without major daily engagement. In addition to providing consulting services or developing customized solutions, there are also several AI tools that you can leverage to make money online. Some popular options include chatbots and virtual assistants. Developing chatbots and virtual assistants for businesses can provide a more efficient customer service experience, leading to higher customer satisfaction and increased sales. Sentiment analysis. Providing sentiment analysis services helps businesses understand their customers' emotions towards their products or services. Stock market forecast. Using AI algorithms, you can create a trading bot designed to analyze the stock market and recommend profitable trades. All in all, with the growing demand for artificial intelligence in various industries, it can be said that making money with AI is a great opportunity to explore. So start today. Once again, thank you for watching my video.